There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it for love. Love, love, love.
Do it for. Yeah. Do it for. Do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. Yeah. I can only do me, that's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same on me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for, love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go. Even if I'm out to nothing, I know there's always something. It's not a fitness.
I was waiting for you so long. No, I wasn't.
Forever.
Forever. I was waiting for you forever. I was waiting for you so long. Hopefully you work with my camera, because the last time we had you, you didn't work on me. It has a wire, actually.
Oh, what? You thought it has no wire?
I thought I had no wire. But it's the other wire. It's the ones that I bought twice by accident.
Yeah, so you have extra.
Now 3.
Perfect. Now you can have extra.
Mm-hmm. Now my extra long wire.
Super extra long.
No, it's not long enough.
You need 100 feet, like Andrew said.
Yes.
Perfecto.
Let's test it out if it works. YouTube, go away. You need OBS. OBS, where are you? Camera. Wake up! Alright. I forgot I had it launched. Hello, people.
It works?
Hold on. Yep,
Alright.
it works.
Test is done.
Test is done.
Okay, you're videoing me now?
Uh-huh.